Matt's Garage here, and today we're going to take the little Neon off-roading. We got the full lift kit in there, put the other lift struts in the other night there, and we've got all the issues fixed. We just drove it an hour out here to Nordegg, Alberta, and we're going to continue on into the back country here and find some off-roading trails to try this car out on. Here's our recovery equipment, so we're really hoping we don't get stuck. Right, Nash? Mm-hmm. Gonna have fun though, right, bud?
Yeah.
And my dad's gonna come along as well, so we're just here at his place to pick him up. Okay, well, I got my dad here in the car, and Nash is in the back there, and we're just driving up. I think it's actually a quad trail, because I tell you, we went through these couple trees there that were so tight, I don't think a full-size vehicle would have got through. But there's lots of room for a quad to get past us here, so I don't think it'd be an issue. And so we're going for it. And we haven't met anything too extreme yet. It's just little ruts and stuff, so we'll get back with you when we get to something that's actually challenging. Okay, our first little obstacle here. It looks like we got quite a hill climb ahead of us here, so I'm just gonna gun it and go for it here. I think we got this. Nah, that was nothing. I probably overcooked it a little, to be honest. It is getting a little rougher as we go here though, so we'll see. I gotta admit, that didn't sound stellar, but I think we're okay. Trail markings ahead, it's definitely a trail. So far guys, we're not having any problems at all. Neon's not really having any struggle with any of this. Well, the only thing I'm really worried about is I have no skid plates under my fuel tank and I don't want to puncture it. So when I hear things hid in the back there, it does freak me out a little bit, but
Come this way a bit.
So we're struggling a little there, but we made it. We're just gonna get out and have a look at this ridge here and see what we can do. Because this looks like something we'd high center on for sure. That's not that bad, but I don't know. Dad, you want to watch and make sure I don't bog out?
Yeah,
if
you're
I
good.
come here, this will be the side I would bog out.
Yeah, I know. You're good so far.
Just stand back a little touch so you're out of the camera, kind of on that mound. Just watch my rocker panel as I come over.
You're good.
Sure?
Gold. You're a mile.
I just ran out of clearance. I'm bogging out.
You are?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's almost.
I don't know. It feels like we might have some traction there now.
Over here, Brooks. In case it
Climb
goes.
on the back now.
You can take a picture of that tire when he starts going. No.
Losing grip.
No.
You know? We're just getting some more blocking under it.
It's gonna come out and then drop big time. Big boomer. Are you coming?
Okay, our recovery gear paid off. Okay, well we just came down this hill here and the car literally stopped. And then we were having trouble backing up, and what happened is we just came upon this log here, and it's really not a big deal if I just change my direction a little bit, I'll be just fine. But my hooks from my snowplow actually hit the log as well because the angle's so steep coming down this hill here. So I'm just gonna get Nash to film, and I'm gonna change my angle, and we'll get right through this.
We have to turn around.
Okay guys, well we're deep into logging slash here, and there's just too much stuff to pass through. It's gonna end up puncturing our fuel tank or something, and then we get to this big tree, and even if we could route around that, it's just a field of debris past that even extreme 4x4 would never tackle. So we're gonna turn around, and some of those hills and stuff you saw us come down, well, we're gonna have to figure out a way to get back up them, because there's only the way we came is the only way out of here. Okay, that's that log again.
Oh, you're so close.
I should have just gave it, but I didn't want to drop over too hard. Come get this, Nash.
That reel's off the ground.
That's okay, we're gonna block it up here, but you come get this, Nash. Check this out, guys. We're three-wheeling it. We're almost over. We just got a little decline. Our front wheel's a little up, but what I'm gonna do is block under that back one, and then we'll be good. It wants to roll back, Dad. How come?
I don't know.
Well, that's not good if we lose progress. I'm still on the brakes, eh?
Yeah, you're still on the brakes. Now you're.
Okay, we should jack it again, no? I'll try it again. Give me a little push maybe if you can.
Okay.
Okay guys, we're just on another road here and there's actually a little mud here, so we might find mud yet. We're just going through this bit of a hole. I don't think it's going to be an issue. No, didn't even spin a wheel. There is a hill climb here and it might be a little muddy. No problem. I wish we could find some mud though. Okay, well we had a really successful day off-roading in the Neon and we never got totally stuck. We had a few sticky spots, but we got through them and we had a lot of fun and never did any harm to the car, and the car is still running great. We're halfway back home on the highway here, and thanks for watching.